Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to animate images using Meta AI. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the website. Open your browser and head over to the Meta AI website. Once inside, look for the Create section. This is where you can make images, animations, and other AI content. Now, click the plus or upload button and select the image you want to animate. Make sure your image is clear and high quality for better results. Now describe what you want by the image or video. When you're done, just click the generate button. Meta AI will process your image and apply animation based on your prompts. Watch the results. If it looks good, download it. If it not, adjust your prompt. You can add more motion, timing, style, then try again. For better results, keep movement simple and natural. Overloading the prompt with too many actions can make the animation look messy. Clean, controlled motion usually looks more professional. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.